running a tad late as usual, so I'm just gonna head out now to the start. Right, so we did make it to the start. No one's set off yet, and feeling a little bit scared because we were just saying before, this is Laura, like the fear is real, like it's so scary because we're not used to doing this, but we're going to give it our best shot, have a crack at it, and the weather's not too bad, so that's one thing in our favour, so lens a bit there. I reckon let's just go. Don't worry, you're not talking. He hates his own voice.
It's been so long since you was running, always running.
The gravel stops.
Now you never come along, now you never wanna follow.
Yeah, we'll get to top us a little bit, I reckon. Actually, this looks icy again. I can't do that. I want to push it in. Oh my god, you're fearless!
No, I'm not.
Oh my god.
Heroes!
I'm just a stupid idiot.
Oh my god, I'm just a stupid idiot for that.
You listen so good, what you want from me.
Oh, we're Cormac! So we've done 15k, just under 50. It's taken us an hour and 10 minutes, and I can't even tell you how hard this is. Like, look at this. This is just sheet ice. We're having to like clamber around the back to try and get over there. This is so hard. This is so, I can't believe how hard this is. And you're just like, what are we even doing here? Like, we're roadies, we can't do this. But I just keep telling myself, just carry on, just a little bit further. It's not cold and the view is beautiful, but it's really hard. So let's head down and see if we can get around the ice. But do you think it will get worse, the ice?
Better and worse. He said snow rather than ice. I did a doozy 380 degree spin around this bit.
Did you?
Kept up like the whole time, but ended up trying to get from one side to the other and just lost it.
What are we doing? So that's where we've come from. That is where the route goes. That is the ice on the floor. That is all ice. And I don't know how the other riders have managed to do it, but I cannot, it's not even the bike, it's not the wheels, it's not the tyres, I just haven't got the balls to do it. Like on the bits of ice that I have hit, it's been fine, but I don't have the confidence to ride on ice like that, and I feel really disappointed, to be honest, that I'm bailing at like 17k or something, but it's gotta be fun, and this is just scaring the crap out of me. So I'm like, Laura equally was just like, I'm done with this, it's so hard. Not hard technical, it's not that it's tiring, it's that it's like physically, I just can't, I'm just scared. So yeah, we're gonna go back and just do some like other gravel bits near us that isn't in the ice, because we're not even anywhere near as high as it's going to get, and we asked and said, is it going to be more ice like this? Does it get better? Does it get worse? And they said it gets better and it gets worse, and we're just like, oh. And if you're descending on that and you hit it and we come off, it's just, for me, it's just not worth it. So I'm going to head back and just do some more sensible gravel, more sensible off-road than hitting the ice. So people that did it, absolute props to you, my friends, but I cannot do it. Right, so me and Laura have decided to go back. Bail on the time. It was the ice, like we're alright with the gravel. Far. We're getting used to the gravel, and then the ice was just one step too far. And it wasn't like a little bit, it was like thick. Yeah. Like, ice skating. What do you know when it's like compacted ice. I don't know how the others did it, but we're just like, shall we just go back? Shall we not? I reckon we'll go back. I might just go and do that what we did yesterday a few times. I got used to that. Yeah. But I feel really disappointed. I feel glad that we're not riding on ice anymore, but I feel I'm just happy to be alive. Yeah. I feel it.
snow, you have to walk in, but there will be some ice in the forest, so please be careful. There is still
There'll be no snow, but there will be ice in the forest.
Leave it up.
Hi everyone.
That's a good one, yeah?
Well done. Good morning, good morning. So, seeing as we DNF'd yesterday, we have decided today we're not even going to take part because it was just too sketchy for us. Like, we are not trained or used to gravel riding. It's not even the gravel. The gravel was okay. It was the ice that just, no. That was just what kind of finished us off. Like, no, we're not doing ice. Then, as you heard before, the briefing this morning, they were saying just everyone take care. There won't be snow in the forest, but there will be ice. And we were just like, yes, we've made the right decision. So, rather than just kind of not doing anything, we've got these like pretty good bikes to go and have a little exploration on. So we're going to just head onto the road, maybe some gravel paths as well, and just kind of just go and explore a little bit. So we don't want to waste the day, so we're just going to head out and see where the wind takes us.
Don't waste your time already, know about my heart, no heart. It ain't never gonna break, never gonna be, nothing's gonna change.
So that down there is the marker for doing today's course, and obviously we're not doing it. And then some guy came past and asked us if we were lost. I'm like, oh no, we're not doing the race, thank you so much, but we're not doing it. He's like, why are you not doing it? And we're like, oh, because it's snowy and ice. He's like, ice, that's fine, it's fine, you should be doing it. I'm like, no, we don't want to do it in the ice. It's gotten to the point where now, not only do we feel bad that we're not doing it, we're being heckled by strangers for not doing it. So, oh well, let's carry on riding.
Alone so good, but something's gonna gotta give. I think my luck is running out.
So I'm now in a hotel near the airport because I'm flying back very, very early tomorrow morning and just kind of want to round the weekend up. So it didn't go to plan. It definitely didn't go to plan, and you probably know by now, I don't like quitting stuff. I like to, if I'm going to do it, I want to have a go at it and complete it. However, the ice was just, as you probably see in this video, it was just too much for me. I just don't want to risk it. And yes, there are people that can ride ice. I'm not one of those people, and that's not to say I didn't have a really fun weekend. It was fun. Met Laura, met Martin from Spengler, and yeah, it's just a top weekend. I mean, when is it not a good weekend when you're riding your bike? And so I just kind of wanted just to share that in case you have tried something and didn't succeed with flying colours and you found it hard. I find things hard. We all find things hard, and I just kind of like to document it because I just like to share the ups and the downs and the disappointments and the failures. People was like, it's not a failure. It's not a failure at all. It's just trying something new, and you don't know what you're going to like until you try it. I will try gravel again, but just not in winter. I think in summer I would prefer gravel a lot more. So that is it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. So farewell.
I'll let you down, I'ma let you down.